Hello and welcome to my room tour. In my first room tour video that I made a little over 2 years ago, I still lived in my parents' house, and now I live on my own and have my own room, which is actually the basement of me and my roommate's townhouse. So here is the tour of this room. First, in this corner, I have my black curtain that I just use when I need a blank background for things, next to my full-length mirror with lights on it. I have makeup and skincare products down here, as well as on this little shelf up here that I also have knickknacks on. I also have this really cool eyeball mirror that I got from TJ Maxx that I spray painted. Next to the mirror area, I have my vanity, which I just have makeup brushes, makeup, things like that, and also my skincare fridge. My skincare fridge I got off of Amazon, and I just decorated with a whole bunch of stickers that I got from different places, different companies, just things like that. Above my vanity, I just have decorations. I also have these lights that are attached to my curtains that I have this little remote that I can click and turn them on and off. Here, I'll just show you what they look like. And then I'll just turn them off for the rest of the video. The curtains I actually just got from Walmart and then put them on the existing curtain rod that was here just to spice things up a bit. In this corner of my room, I have a whole bunch of knickknacks as well as a lot of my witchcraft things. I am a newbie into practicing witchcraft and spirituality, so I just have a whole bunch of essentials and basics just here on my altar. I have it set up pretty just randomly. There's no really rhyme or reason. It's just on this wall, once again, I have just pictures, and I have all of my art business things kind of organized on this little cubby set that I got from Target just a long time ago. I just have books and things that I need, such as art materials for packing orders. To the left of my art order packing station is where I do most of my art. I have this art desk and just all of my art supplies hung up on this pegboard that I got from Home Depot and just bought like a pack of hooks from Amazon. So I just have everything out and open and organized for when I do my art. Next to it here, I just have my art cart, which right now is very disorganized and just has odds and ends, so moving on. This section of my room is more of the cozy side. So above here, where there's like the little divide in the ceiling, I have just art prints, as well as lights. Above my clothing rack, I have a little Philly poster just to represent home. And next to that poster, I just have a little shelf with knickknacks again. Moving on, this is my little electronics setup. I have my TV on top and then my printer on the bottom, and hopefully when I get a Cricut, I will put it there as well. I just have little stuffed animals, little things that I thought were cool just on my TV stand. In this top corner over here, I actually just have all my stuffed animals in a little homemade toy basket. And then I have Baymax just on the floor here because he would not fit in the toy basket. On the ceiling, I have this little worm on a string lamp that I made just from a lamp that was already here and putting worms on a string on it. And near my bed, I just have a whole bunch of posters hung up. I have my Spotify wall. I have art that I've made, art that I've purchased, and just a whole bunch of things just to make the space feel more homey and feel more me. So that is basically the end of my room tour. Here's just once again a kind of overview of this space over here. And if there's any questions on anything that I have on my walls or in my room, just drop a comment and I'll try to respond. I'm pretty sure I know where everything is from, maybe aside from a few different things. But yeah, once again, here's just a complete and total overview of my room. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching.